In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create files in Google Drive. If you want a quick and simple way to start new documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more, Google Drive makes that very easy. Everything begins right from your Drive homepage, and once you know where to click, you can create different types of files in just a few seconds. Start by going to your Google Drive home. This is the main dashboard where all of your stored files and folders are organized. If you already use Google services, you'll likely be familiar with this layout. It's the central place where you can manage content and create something new without needing to open separate apps first. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the New button. This is the main menu for creating content inside Drive. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. This is where you'll begin any new file you want to make. To create a file, choose one of the available options such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Vids, or Google Forms. Each one is designed for a different purpose. Google Docs is ideal for written documents, notes, and reports. Google Sheets is useful for data, lists, budgets, and calculations. Google Slides is best for presentations. Google Vids can be used for video-related projects, and Google Forms is great when you want to create surveys, quizzes, or simple data collection forms. As soon as you click one of these options, Google Drive will open a new file of that type for you. From there, you can begin working immediately. One helpful thing to know is that Google saves your work automatically, so you don't usually need to worry about clicking a save button as you go. If you want even more file creation options, move your cursor over more in the same new menu. This expands the list and gives you access to additional tools like Google Drawings, My Maps, Google Sites, and App Script. These are useful for more specialized tasks. For example, Google Drawings can help with diagrams or simple visual designs. My Maps is useful for custom maps. Google Sites helps you build websites. And App Script is for automation and custom functionality. That's all it takes to create files in Google Drive. Once you get comfortable using the new menu, you'll be able to quickly start the exact type of file you need whenever you need it.